In the world of agriculture and meat production, pork farming plays a significant role in meeting the global demands for high-quality protein. From the serene landscapes of pig farms to the bustling facilities of pork processing factories, the journey of pork from farm to factory is a complex and intricate process that requires precision and dedication. In this comprehensive video, we will explore each step of this journey, shedding light on the practices and techniques that make modern pork farming both efficient and sustainable. Pork farming, also known as pig farming, is the process of raising pigs for the purpose of meat production. This intricate process begins on the farm, where carefully planned environments is created to ensure the health and well-being of the animals. Pig farms serve as the starting point for pork production. They are responsible for breeding, housing, and nourishing pigs. These farms provide the foundation for a steady supply of high-quality pork to meet consumer demands. The welfare of the pigs is a top priority on modern pig farms. Pigs are housed in spacious, climate-controlled facilities designed to promote comfort and minimize stress. Ventilation, proper nutrition, and veterinary care are essential components of responsible pig farming. Pigs receive carefully formulated diets to meet their specific nutritional needs. These diets consist of a balanced blend of grains, proteins, and vitamins. Precision in feeding is crucial to optimize growth and meat quality. At the heart of the pork processing factory industry lies a meticulous and highly regulated process that takes the humble pig from its origins on the farm to its ultimate destination as succulent cuts, flavorful sausages, and beloved bacon. It's a symphony of expertise, technology, and commitment to quality that creates the pork products we know and love. The journey begins with the arrival of live pigs at the processing facility. Here, the process of humane and precisely monitored slaughtering unfolds, followed by the meticulous dressing phase. This is where the pig's carcass is expertly cleaned and its internal organs are removed with precision and care. Once the inspection is complete, the skilled hands of butchers take over. With artistry, they transform the carcasses into an array of cuts, delectable chops, succulent ribs, tender loins, and flavor-rich hams. It's a process that demands precision to maximize yield and minimize waste, blending technology with tradition. Not all pork products are destined for the fresh meat section. Many undergo further processing, leading to the creation of value-added products. These include the beloved sausages, tantalizing bacon, and exquisite deli meats. Seasoning, smoking, and curing are employed to enhance flavor and extend shelf life, giving birth to culinary delights. At the core of the pork factory processing lies an unwavering commitment to safety and quality. Rigorous quality control measures and exhaustive food safety regulations and protocols ensure that each product is safe and reliable for consumers. Reliable testing for pathogens and contaminants is a non-negotiable step in the journey from factory to plate. Processed to perfection, pork products are carefully packaged and labeled to preserve their freshness. Thoughtfully chosen packaging materials and methods are employed to extend shelf life, while informative labels provide consumers with essential details such as nutritional information and allergy warnings. Distribution of pork products is a finely tuned symphony orchestrated with precision. Temperature-controlled storage and transportation facilities are strategically deployed to ensure that products remain at optimal conditions throughout their journey from the factory to the retailer. Sustainability also emerges as a central concern, with factories embracing eco-friendly practices such as waste reduction, recycling initiatives, and the adoption of high-energy efficient technologies to minimize their environmental footprint. In the bustling world of meat processing, pork cutting in factories plays a pivotal role in delivering high-quality pork products to consumers worldwide. As the demand for pork continues to rise, efficient and precise cutting techniques have become essential. In this video, we delve into the fascinating world of pork cutting in factories, exploring the intricate process that transforms a whole pig into a diverse array of delectable cuts, all adhering to strict quality standards. Pork cutting in factories is a meticulously orchestrated dance of precision and skill. Expert butchers armed with razor-sharp knives and specialized equipment dissect the pork carcass with surgical precision. Each cut is carefully made into separate primal cuts like loins, ribs, and shoulders, which are then further divided into retail cuts like pork chops, spare ribs, and tenderloins. This level of precision not only ensures that every cut meets the desired specifications, but also maximizes yield, minimizing waste and making the process economically sustainable. In today's increasingly eco-conscious world, pork cutting in factories also places a strong emphasis on sustainability and quality assurance. Modern factories prioritize responsible sourcing of pork, ensuring the animals are raised in humane conditions and meet strict health and safety standards. Moreover, waste reduction efforts such as utilization of byproducts for pet food or rendering contribute to environmental sustainability. As technology continues to evolve, innovative methods like automation and robotics are being integrated into the process, further enhancing efficiency while maintaining the highest standards of quality and safety. Pork cutting in factories is not just an art but a science that combines tradition with cutting-edge technology to provide consumers with the delicious, safe, and sustainable pork products they enjoy on their plates. The pork factory processing industry remains agile, continually evolving to meet the ever-changing demands of consumers. This includes offering organic, antibiotic-free, and ethically sourced products. Innovation plays a substantial role in the development of new pork-based foods and flavors, satisfying diverse tastes and preferences, and ensuring the industry remains at the forefront of culinary trends. The history of pig farming is deeply rooted in antiquity. Pigs were among the first animals to be domesticated by early human societies, with evidence dating back over 9,000 years. Ancient civilizations such as the Chinese, Egyptians, and Romans recognized the value of pigs as a reliable source of meat. In medieval Europe, monasteries played a pivotal role in pig husbandry and the development of various pork products like sausages and hams. The introduction of pigs to the Americas by Spanish explorers in the 16th century significantly influenced the development of pig farming in the New World. Over the centuries, pig farming evolved from small backyard operations to large-scale industrialized systems to meet the growing global demands for pork. Today, pig farming is a vital component of the agricultural industry, providing a significant portion of the world's meat supply. In conclusion, the realm of pork factory processing is a captivating journey that combines cutting-edge technology, skilled craftsmanship, and unwavering dedication to quality. It seamlessly bridges the gap between pig farms and the tables of consumers worldwide, crafting an extensive array of pork products that cater to the diverse needs and preferences of a global audience. With an unyielding focus on safety, sustainability, and innovation, the pork processing industry continues to be an integral player in the global food supply chain, ensuring that high-quality pork products are readily available to people across the globe.